Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are here for the first qualifier of the UCL Clashes 2024.
बैट्समैन का नाम हो गया
जी सर, शाहिद अजीज जो है वो फेस कर रहे हैं विद हिम इज सालिक शाह. सालिक शाह इज नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड उमैर अहमद इज बॉलिंग.
सही रेडी
Timer has started and immediately right on the money there, but I felt that it was going towards leg side, dot ball. Nevertheless, the ball is swinging. Ooh. And that is the end of Sajid Aziz, clean bowled. And that's the second time Sajid Aziz has been bowled out for a duck as an opener. And it baffles me that he has been fantastic in the last match down the order. And why the same mistake has been repeated again on a duck. And first blood drawn by Dubai Cricket lads. And Sajid Aziz walking back to the pavilion. And fantastic wicket by Dubai Cricket lads. Umair Ahmed, beautiful piece of a delivery. भाई जो देखो दूसरा जा रही है ना पहुंचेंगे तो भागना पड़ेगा. Ijaz Kiani walks in highly experienced and at a very critical juncture. Dubai Cricket lads definitely will be very pleased with making inroads so quickly. 0 for 1 in any match, in any innings, is definitely a fantastic start. The qualifier, the winner will proceed to the final on 1st of June. And that is played towards square leg over the fielder and a boundary. Both teams have to put their best foot forward. It's a matter of final. That's a better delivery. That has punched towards mid-off. A bit of fumble there, but single taken. Salik Shah, 58 50s, 900s, 8,000 plus runs, magnificent batting average of 40, and a strike rate of 137. That is very well placed towards covers. That's a fantastic cover drive for a boundary. And 9 for 1 after 1 over. ADCL Reds. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Sumit Chaudhary will start his spell. Highly experienced Ijaz Kayani. .41 50s, 200s, 5,639 runs. Strike rate of 151 and a batting average of 29.68. Starts off with a low full toss towards leg side, a single. There are 2 power plays over 1, 2 and 3, and then 11, 12 and 13. That is a quick single taken. That is a loose delivery, dispatch for a boundary towards extra cover by Ijaz Kayani. That's a good hit. That's a juicy low full toss towards offside. Plenty of width for Ijaz Kayani to full advantage of that and dispatch it for a boundary. Oh, played in a miss there and a wide ball. That is played towards cover, a dot ball. उमैर इस ओवर के बाद मेरे से जरा स्प्रे ले जाइएगा उमैर, इस ओवर के बाद उसके लिए, अभी नहीं, ओवर के बाद बैट्समैन को चाहिए. Oh, that's a good delivery, quick single. 1 ball to go. That is upishly played towards point, a dot ball. 17 in 2 overs. ये अंपायर को बेशक पकड़ा दीजिएगा, ठीक. Umpire stoppage time applies. I will stop the stopwatch. अंपायर्स आई थिंक मैच के शुरू में वॉकी टॉकी के साथ ना एक स्प्रे भी आपको दे देते हैं ताकि टाइम भी बच जाए. आई जस्ट थिंक इट्स नॉट अ बैड आइडिया, राइट?
बिल्कुल सही है, कोई मसला नहीं है. लाइट वेट है, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला.
सर आप खुराक तगड़ी खाते हैं ना सर.
आया अंसारी भाई का खाना.
चलें सर, बैट्समैन को पुश करें. Timer has started again. Umair will continue. Why not? He has taken a wicket. And that is played straight towards long on, a single. This is the last over of the first power play. The second power play will commence from over number 11 till 13. Oh, played and a miss. That's a very interesting selection of shot by Salik. What a good delivery by Umair. He's bowling quite well. That's given by the umpire. That's the second wicket. Umair on song. 18 for 2 in just 2.3 overs. Dubai Cricket Labs DCL fighting and fighting hard. Excellent bowling by Umair Ahmed. Anupam Bhardwaj walks in. Two wickets gone. 18 for 2 in 2.3 overs. And that is up in the air, will probably fall in no man's land. And excellent fielding by Hassan, 2 runs taken. That's a wide delivery. Oh, played and a miss there. Excellent bowling by Umair Ahmed. 13 picked up 2 wickets. Fantastic start by Umair. Mind you, both his overs are inside the circle, the power play overs. Played and a miss again. Excellent bowling. That's a beautiful over once again. 4 runs and a wicket. 3 overs, 21 for the loss of 2 wickets. And the power play is now finished. The second power play will be over 11, 12 and 13. Sumit Chaudhary will continue. Can Dubai Cricket Lads press home the advantage? That remains to be seen. 3 overs and 13 and a half minutes have passed. इनको 4 फील्डर अंदर रखने ही रखने यार हालत में, सर्कल के ओपन के बाद भी. And that is not much in control. That's play towards mid wicket. Single. Ijaz Kayani, I think, is struggling while running between the wickets. But can he compensate with his hitting capability? That is slash towards point. The fielder unable to make it. That's a boundary. Beautifully hit by Ijaz Kayani. Ijaz needs to play a longer innings. He needs to play that trademark Ijaz Kayani anchoring innings. Very critical for his team. They've already lost Salik Shah. They've already lost Sajid. Definitely they cannot afford to lose one more. Oh, uppish. Definitely not out. It's quite uppish. But nevertheless, a good delivery. Fuller delivery, not in control, Ijaz, but a single nevertheless taken. ADCL Reds dugout is requested to make sure they don't waste time for the water break. They need to be ready immediately. This is the last ball. Same goes for DCL. That is nice towards third man. That's the end of a good over 7 runs of it. 4 overs, 28 for 2. Mohammad Ubaidullah Khan. Till umpire 60 seconds are finished, only 60 seconds break. Please उसके अलावा ना allow किया करें. This is not stoppage time, by the way. 28 for 2 in 4 overs. Oh, uppish. Definitely not out. Quite uppish. Way up. Ubaid is quick. And his first delivery is right on the money there. Oh, not in control. A quick single nevertheless taken. Shy at the stumps, but Good bowling, good pacey bowling by Ubaid. That is played towards cover, a single. Umair Ahmed very pumped up, bucking up his Pashtun brother. And why not? Umair had a superb spell today. Definitely wants Ubaid to continue that momentum. That is played towards extra cover, but will be intercepted by the fielder. Single taken. So far, Ubaid's bowling has been right on the money. DCL is bowling superbly. And that is tapped and a dot ball. Good delivery. Upish, right up in the body. Good pace, good bounce, and good line in length. Oh, that is over. Third man will run away for a boundary. Very unlucky there, Ubaid. 35 in 5 overs. Good bowling by Ubaid. Bit unlucky there. There was nothing wrong with the delivery. It was a chancy shot played by the batsman. 35. Fayaz Ahmed, the magnificent. And what an amazing stats he has. 357 wickets, 46 times he's taken 3-wicket haul, 2 times 5-wicket haul. And what an economy of 6.73. Look at that average of 17.99. Ijaz Kayani versus Fayaz, former UAE player. Test of character for Ijaz Kayani. Oh, given respect. Oh, going towards leg side. The umpire not convinced. Oh, played and a miss. A nothing shot by Ijaz Kayani. I think he should take a step back, take a cool breath. Anupam doing well, walking to his partner, relaxing him a bit. They need to focus on a partnership rather than losing a wicket here, which will be a huge advantage to DCL. That is played towards long off. Anupam versus Fayaz Ahmed. Top-notch bowling so far from DCL. Current run rate is 6.35 for ADCL Reds. Rupee and completely missed by Anupam. What fantastic bowling by Fayaz. Beautifully bowled. That is nice towards short mid wicket for a single. Only 2 runs coming off that over. A fantastic over. The magician is Ishaq Malik. 37 in 6 overs. Ishaq Malik comes in. Magnificent current form. 5 wickets in 2 matches. He's taken. And that is a loose delivery dispatched for a 4 by Anupam. I think that is a part and parcel of a leg spinner. If it gets offline, then chances for a boundary goes quite high. Can this be Anupam's day? That remains to be seen. Oh, nice towards slip. Wasn't a catch for sure. Single taken nevertheless. And that is played towards mid-wicket. And that is sailing for a 6. 30-run partnership from 24 deliveries. 15 by Ajaz, 14 by Anupam. Welcome to boundaries by ADCL Reds. We'll be quite pleased with at least getting those 2. The current run rate is up to 7.38 now. That is nice towards point. Ishan Butt immediately pounces upon him for a dot ball. Flatter, excellent delivery. That is a magnificent delivery. Ishaq now adjusting his line and length. Plenty of time left for him. This is his first over. Oh, kept extremely low. The umpire definitely won't be interested because the keeper was never interested. At the end, the over cost 11 runs. When the keeper is not interested, definitely any appeal by the bowler loses its steam. Fayaz coming back after a fantastic first over. Just conceded 2 runs. Looking dangerous. Man with a mission. Winner of this match will propel the winning team to the final. That is played towards fine leg. That's a boundary. $50 up for ADCL Reds, 52. That is played towards a fine leg once again. The keeper will have to rush. The ball will not reach. but 2 runs taken nevertheless. And a bit of fumble there. 3 runs. फाइनल में जाएं आप. Pitch today is spinning like hell.
yesterday भी सेम था. कल भी हम लोग खेला था ना ये
अच्छा
डिवीजन का टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
तो we were 34 for 6 yesterday.
तेरी खैर.
167 now Usman ने score.
Very good. I think if you guys will beat 160 because उन्होंने तो किया ना वो मक्की टीम तो 130 पे उसके बावजूद देख रहा थी तो टीम 5 मैं तो ये कहता मैं कहा 30 रन आउट कर लेते. एक तो वो अजहर रन आउट हो गया अपनी बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से. खुद ही डबल की कॉल करके आउट हो. वो आई थिंक उसने बहुत तेज चली से वो एंटिसिपेट नहीं कर परफेक्ट बेटी मैच ने बनी की बात. That is a hit, a firm hit, and he's gone. That is the end of Ijaz Kayani. He's not happy with himself. Sir, caught by whom?
Umar.
Thank you.
उस्मान भाई 2 बॉलें बाकी.
खेल सकते हैं. सर 3 balls left. 4 फिर 3 हुआ फिर 0. वो कभी आ सकता हमारे उसमें नहीं. इवन के मैंने वो बुरहान का भी कहा था मैंने डाल दिया.
आसिफ टाइगर.
This is a very critical wicket for you. Very critical. Asif Tiger.
उस्मान भाई 2 to go.
Yes sir, 2 to go now. 4-3 dot wicket. फयाज को ओवर निकाल दूं.
इसलिए तो मैं
मेरे अगर आसिफ इसके ओवर सेकंड पावर प्ले है ना 11 12 13 उसमें
आसिफ मार रहा है.
and good dot ball. That is nudged towards short third man. Single taken. That's the end of the 8th over. A good over once again. 56 in 8 overs for the loss of 3 wickets. Sir, Tariq Khan.
जी सर.
Tariq Khan will start bowling from over the wicket. Facing him is Asif. Asif Tiger. That's a quick single taken, a good one. And that is played towards extra cover. What amazing placement by Anupam for a boundary. And that is very well bowled. Dot ball. Oh, excellent delivery. Played and a miss. Excellent delivery again. पक्की नहीं लगी पक्की नहीं लगी
पढ़ भी ਉੱਥੇ ਸੀ
यार मेरी गल दस सादी ਦੇ ਮੈਚ ਦੇ ध्यान ਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਈ ਖੜੇ ਆਂਦੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ
ਖੇਡ ਰਹੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਨਫਰਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ
that is played and that's dot ball. So at the end a good over from DCL, only 5 runs of it, 61 in 9 overs.
Continue.
And going slightly towards leg side, so a slight height as well. I also felt the benefit of the doubt has to go to the batsman. That's the name of the game. Has to be plumb, otherwise if there is any doubt has to be given to the batsman. Oh, good ball. And that is leg by. अंपायर लेग बाय है ना, आपने इशारा नहीं दिया. That is nice towards short third man. Dot ball. Played and a miss. That is another dot ball. Fantastic over comes to an end. 10 over 62 for 3. And we are into our second power play. 38 minutes and 45 seconds are gone. नहीं क्यों समझ लगी कितने लगी
या देखो अपना है पूरी हड्डी मेरी है तू ये देखो सारा कुछ बाहर निकला हुआ है बस बस और इधर फंसी हुई और मैं इधर नहीं सी इधर से ना इधर स्टूडेंट मैं नहीं सी अपना ना पढ़ना साडी जरूरत होगी ना
ऐतिहासिक The power play is now in effect over number 11, 12 and 13. The projected score is 124, which I feel is a bit low. They need to put it up to 160 minimum. And he's gone. That is the end of Asif Tiger. That's soft dismissal. Yeah. Louder. Azhar Baghdadi walks in. .950s. Highly mature batsman. 62 for 4. That's a wide delivery. Late and a miss. एक सौ 35 हाँ लेकिन चेज हो गया आराम नाल That's excellent delivery again. So what the wicket has done on the first delivery of Ubaid is it has put ATCL Reds on a back foot and has given a breathing space to DCL within the power play overs. Fantastic stuff by Ubaid. And that is unintentional, unlucky Ubaid. Goes away for a 4, quite unlucky there. And definitely the intention by the batsman was not towards the third man in that sense. Again a dot ball. And that is a 6. "73 in 11 overs." Umair comes back. He had a fantastic 2 overs. Given 13 runs. Conceded 13 but took 2 wickets. Anupam and I had a discussion just at the start of the match, where I was encouraging him to look into the second power play with the old ball. That should be a wide. It is. Play towards mid-wicket. Will be just a single. So far a good over for DCL. That is smash towards covers. Will run away for a boundary, and it does. That's an excellent delivery. Only a single piece of a delivery by Umair. He's bowled quite well today. After every delivery where he has been dispatched for a boundary, has come back strong. That should be a wide again. It is. That definitely was a wide. That is a good hit, a firm 6 by Azhar Baghdadi towards long off. Magnificent stuff. One ball to go, and then we have the allowed water break. So the dugouts need to be ready for the 60-second break. That is as straight as it can get. Ashaq will definitely intercept. And 89 for 4 in 12 overs. 60 seconds timer has started. Nobody from Reds going to. They are going. 50 seconds left. 40 seconds left. 30 seconds. 20. It's the power play, and it seems that Tariq is coming back. He's had a wonderful first over. Conceded just 5 runs. Azhar Baghdadi will be facing Tariq. Oh, that's an excellent delivery. That's very well bowled once again. That is a lovely delivery by Tariq. Excellent delivery. What a wonderful power play over he is delivering. 2 deliveries left for the power play over. The current run rate is 7.11. That's a loose delivery. And 3 wide. He's a very bad bowler. Very poor spell. And that is once again a peach of a delivery. What contained swing he is executing. That is punched towards mid-off, and that's a single. 94 in 13 overs. The power play is finished. Ishaq comes back. It's 94 for 4. 13 overs. That's a white ball. "54 minutes. That is as straight as it can get. Will be intercepted. Single. तो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਹੀ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕ ਐਂਡ 'ਚ ਤੇਜ਼ ਕਰਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕ ਐਂਡ 'ਚ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਦੇਰ ਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ। 4 ਸਿਰਫ ਹਾਂ ਅਪਰੋਕਸੀਮੇਟਲੀ ਸਹੀ ਹੋ। That's a single towards mid wicket. The fielder a bit sleepy there, and 2 runs taken. पूछूंगा लेकिन किसी ने आज आगे ये नहीं कहा मुझे प्रॉब्लम है। पहले कह रहे थे लेकिन आज नहीं। That is very well placed towards covers. Should be 2. And bit strange to see Anupam restricting himself to a single. But 2 runs still taken. Each and every run here matters. 100 up for ADCL Reds. 100 for 4 in 13.3 overs. Excellent delivery, played and a miss, and he's gone. The umpire has given it out. And that's next batsman, please. I don't know what's the delay about. If the umpires are not consulting, we cannot force them to consult.
Clear out है।
Okay sir. ये साग भाई आप कह रहे हैं क्लियर आउट है?
जी सर मैं कह रहा हूँ।
Yasir 124 50s and 27 hundreds. 100 for 5 in 13.4 overs. Excellent delivery by Ishaq. Kyani bhai, can you please come here? Oh, that is end of the over. 100 for 5 in 14 overs. यार गलत लेग एम्पायर नहीं कह रहे। देखो मैं इस चीज़ नहीं जा रहा कि वो कह रहे आउट नहीं आता, लेकिन लेग एम्पायर एंड बोथ एम्पायर लेग एम्पायर ने कहा एज पर हिम इट्स आल्सो टच्ड। एंड ऑफ स्टोरी।
हाँ सो बुला ले मैं किसी मेरी बात नहीं सुनी
नहीं, लेकिन प्लीज टेल हिम कि लेग एम्पायर हैज कंफर्म टू उस्मान भाई कि इन हिज ओपिनियन इट इज आल्सो टच्ड। ठीक है
मैं कहूँ तू आ रहा है ढीला ढीला रंग से कर रहा है।
Fayaz Ahmed with his last over. He's been fantastic. 3 overs, 10 runs, and 1 wicket. And missed by the keeper, I guess. And 3 wides. Punch towards extra cover, long off, intercepts it, a single. बैट भाई आज तो क्या बॉलिंग गिरा, मजा आया। लेकिन फर्क पड़ता है ना, आज देखिए उमैर ने अच्छी गिराई है तो आप भी जिगरे से आए। एंड दैट इज दी, oh not, it's not out by the umpire. इसको मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ अपने लोगों पे इतबार करो, तुम्हें डिलीवर करके दो, तुम चढ़ते सूरज के पुजारी ना बनो। इसको मैंने आज नहीं, आज से 6 महीने पहले कहा था, इसे पूछें। That is a good delivery.
नहीं, वो दुबई में ग्रीन में है, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर है।
And another dot ball.
हाँ, नहीं मीडियम से है तो
कौन सा फरहान तुम लोगों के साथ खेला हुआ? That is slashed towards point, but there's a fielder, a dot ball once again. एक आप लोगों को बाकी जो अच्छा मिला ना बॉलर वो उसका बहुत अच्छा। That is a nothing shot, and that's the end of a fantastic spell. 4 overs, 14, and 1 wicket. Very unlucky in a lot of aspect for Yaz, but he has done very well. Ishaq still has 2 overs left. 104 for 5. 15 overs gone. Ishaq will continue. Played in a miss. And that is a nothing shot. Single. Excellent policy by DCL, persisting with the spin. Up in the air, but will fall in no man's land. Will be just a single. Projected score is 137. And that's a 6. A biggie towards mid-wicket. Flatter towards mid-wicket. Fayaz will cut it off. That is slashed over extra cover. That is a 4. 117 in 16 overs. The run rate 7.31. Projected score 146. Now Tariq, who has been exceptional in his 2 overs, conceding just 10 runs, is being asked to bowl over number 17. Excellent delivery, played and a miss. Right on the money there, Tariq today. And will not be out because of him coming quite forward. That's a wide delivery. That is a hit. A firm one for a 6. आपका एक रहते 2 रहते हैं, फिर आप 17 ओवर में फिर आप नेक्स्ट आप कराएं, आप फिर 20 कराएं, और 18 19 फिर उमैर का एक रहता है ना. Okay. And that is hit. 1 bounce and for a 4, and that is 50 up for Anupam. Well done, Anupam, for a fantastic 50-52 from 38 deliveries, 6 fours and 2 sixes. And that is unsuccessful appeal, swinging in. I think this is one ball to go. Benefit and disadvantage for Tariq at the same time. He's getting swing, but he's getting a bit too much of a swing, I guess. Blessing and a curse at the same time, I guess. That is played towards square leg. That's the end of the 17th over. 129 for 5 in 17 overs. Ubaid walking in. He's been exceptionally pacey today. Can he take a wicket here? Can he push back the slow momentum of ADCL Reds? The projected score now 152. Excellent delivery, excellent stuff by Ubaid. That is edged, should be taken. And oh my goodness! That is a lollipop drop by Dishan, but this might end up as an expensive miss by Dishan, but excellent delivery again. Played and a miss. Going back towards the leg side. And Ubaid taking full advantage of it. Magnificent over by Ubaid so far. Very unlucky not to get Anupam's wicket there. Still bowling ferociously. And I think it touched the ground, fall short, but still a dot ball in there at this stage is as good as taking a wicket. It's the next best thing. 4 balls and just conceded 1 run. That is due to a drop catch as well. 11 balls played by Yasir, just 5 runs made. And that should be taken by Ehsan. Will he take it? And he, oh my goodness, he makes a mess of it. Ehsan being one of the best fielders of the tournament. Misjudged it and it's considered as a drop catch. So Ubaid still running in. And that is it. Magnificent stuff. Clean bowled. Top notch. The batsman asking for water. It is allowed. He can be given a water at the dismissal. Dugout sleeping. 18 overs. 132. And what a magnificent over by Ubaid. Well done, Ubaid. Top-notch stuff. You couldn't ask for a better death over than that. 2 missed catches, and yet he takes a wicket. He didn't lose heart. Umair Ahmed. Syed Rafi, the captain, walks in. Umair Ahmed will now bowl. The bowler who started it all took a couple of wickets And has to bowl a good death over here. I'm sure Ubaid will be given the task of the 20th over, and why not? He has been magnificent in his last over. That is played and a miss. Excellent bowling by Umair and Ubaid. It's been a tight show run by DCL today. Straight and will be intercepted by Ishaq. A victory in this match will ensure a spot in the final of the Shield Division. That's a wide delivery. I think as long as boundaries are not conceded, DCL won't mind a couple of wide deliveries. And Rafi off the mark. Should be just a single. Three deliveries and 2 runs. Apologies, 3 runs because one was a wide delivery. That is played towards square leg. There is a fielder there, cool as cucumber. Throws it back to the keeper. Just a single. DCL succeeding in ensuring that they are not conceding boundaries in the death overs. Their 18th over has been phenomenal. 19th is following the same suit. And that is going to be just a single once again. Excellent bowling. 1 ball to go for Umair's excellent spell. And especially the death over 19. Last delivery. Excellent delivery once again. Just a single. 138. And 20th over is about to start. Top-notch spell by Umair. Ubaid has been equally exceptional. 3 overs, 21 for 2. $138. Last 6 deliveries. That is gone for a 6. $144. Anupam fighting. 63 from 47 deliveries. Excellent delivery. 1 of the over. Anupam's catch was dropped by Vishan Butt. So remains to be seen how much damaging that catch can be. One of the over is already done. Last 4 deliveries left. Played and a miss. Excellent delivery. Playing away from the body, and Ubaid ensuring that he does not ball to the body. Played and a miss. Excellent delivery. After a 6-3 back-to-back dot balls. Magnificent show. 144. Last two deliveries left. Excellent fight back by Ubaid. Last two deliveries. That is sailing for a 6 fuller delivery, and that's a bad delivery, I must say. 150, one ball to go. Should have persisted with that fifth stump. Decided to take a clean bowled approach. One ball to go. Played and a miss again. That is the end of the innings. The target is 151, and we need to very quickly go and come back after 10 minutes for the second innings. 69 from 52 by Anupam, 27 by Ijaz, Azhar 23, 151 is the target. And bowling card, 2 wickets by Umair, 2 by Ubaid, 1 by Fayaz and 1 by Ishaq. And partnerships, longest partnership, Ijaz Kayani 37, Azhar 38 and Yasir 32. And we will be back after 10 minutes.